Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add a YouTube subscribe button in WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in WordPress and then just click to plugins and add a new plugin. And you want to write in search YouTube subscribe button. And right when you got it, you're gonna like YouTube subscribe, YouTube activate it, and when you got it, go to appearance and widgets. Now let's just find here YouTube subscribe, and you can edit like where you want to. It's really up to you, and you just like add here YouTube channel ID. You will see your channel user and channel ID. So again, in top right, click on your profile picture and click settings. Nice. And from the left menu, select advanced settings. Okay, so advanced settings. And I see user ID or channel ID. So now I will just copy it here. Yep, channel ID. This is also what you will see here. So this is your channel ID. And when you got it, where was I? Just add here and just click save. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see it straight away, but let's see. But this is how you do it, because I had it in really different. Yeah, it won't be here because this is Ocean template, but this is how you do it. You just add it there and that's it. So thank you, see ya, and goodbye.